Hey everybody, I'm Stacy Lynn, and this is your update on the country house that we're restoring, or actually we're just renovating it. It was here on the land when we bought it, and so we've gutted it and we're renovating it. So I've been doing this now, and I think this is our 4th week, and so we've been coming here working on the weekends. This weekend I didn't come because I'm going to San Antonio to shoot a couple of shows this next week, which I want you to stay tuned on my page because I'm going to be doing some live videos throughout the week while I am in San Antonio. But my men got up the tile, and this tile I'm going to show you in a minute on my wall in the kitchen with the green goddess wall and the yellow cabinets. And I know that seems like a lot, but I'm really loving the way that it's turning out. So I don't have the whole thing painted, all of the tile. We need like 4 extra pieces. Can you believe that? Have y'all ever done something and only needed just a little bit left? But we're gonna have to order a couple more pieces to finish. So I'm Stacy Lynn, if you're just now joining us, and I'm giving you an update on our country house that we're renovating. We've gutted it. We're getting it all ready for us to stay here during hunting season and to celebrate birthdays, which is something that we're doing today. And if you stay tuned in the video, I'm going to show you the cake. It is so good, and I want to share it because I want you to make it for your next birthday. So I want to show you the tile up on the wall in the kitchen. So come on in, come on through. And as you can see, this is my birthday girl. You gotta get her. She's got new sunglasses, and so she's looking really, really cool. And then we've got all of this. We've got a little bit more trim to go in that room. Here's my green wall. It's called Green Goddess, and I got all of this at Lowe's. And the paint is great. It covers in one time, and it covers. And it's infinity, and it's cover, I don't remember the name of it, but something about covering once. So here's the yellow on the cabinets, and here is the tile, which I'm loving. I think this tile is really amazing. And they had different styles, different colors on, where did we get this? Wayfair. And you can go on there, and I love that it's got the antique sides. We don't have the grout yet in it, but I'm going to be putting like a beige looking grout in that. So this is the cake, and see, it matches my green wall. I just love it, and this was a happy accident. It wasn't on purpose that this happened. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to take you outside, and we're going to go out there and show you where I'm going to celebrate. So we had hamburgers and French fries out here, and we still have no water hookup. I told you, well, no, I don't think you've seen that video yet. Yesterday I was stringing beans and showing you how to make beans, and you know, just from straight out of the garden in 10 minutes. I haven't posted it yet, but in that I was telling you that we had someone come out to do a well, and they didn't finish it. They had to go 1,200 feet, and it kept collapsing. So we still have no water out here. But we had hamburgers and fries anyway, and I'm using, okay, well anyway, so we're gonna celebrate the birthday out here. So hamburgers, fries, all kinds of stuff. We've been riding around out here in the country and kind of having a free day, except my daughter who's actually doing the filming. And she just got the pantry done. Well, anyway, as you can see, we're gonna have a great cake. Now, I would like y'all to guess what kind of cake this is. It's not too hard. It's actually key lime pie. I mean, is it key lime pie? Cake? Key lime cake. It is gonna be amazing. And I wanted to make a margarita icing, but I didn't, and I ended up just doing a buttercream icing and putting a little bit of food coloring in it. And I'm gonna be taking pictures of this in a little bit, so stay tuned for the pictures because I want